Hey everybody, it's Mike again. I hope everybody is doing well. We're going to go and take a look at how to edit a video. I recorded a video a short time ago, and I am now going over on my phone. I have a photo and video section. I like to use iMovie. It's easiest for the iPhone. Now to start out, it's just nice and easy. You'll see that there's different projects that you work on, but to start a new project, you just simply add that new project plus button, and then see where it says movie, click on movie. Then from there, it's going to show you your recent videos that you did shoot. And I have this video over here that I shot just a short time ago. I'm going to use that video to bring up. So once you select whatever videos that you want to edit in iMovie, just go to create a movie, and your video that you shot is right here. And let's take a look and see what I have.
Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. Just reaching out to you today. This is the City's been waiting to show you how I record my videos. And I'm really good at this way to connect.
So that video is there. So what I'm going to do is from that point, you're able to click on that video, click on that image, see where you click on, see that down at the bottom there's a screen. On the top is the video actually playing. And on the bottom, you can adjust the video and edit it and start and stop it from wherever you want. Now, if you click on that film at the bottom, that's what I'll call it, the film at the bottom, you'll be able to make some edits. You can add, say, for instance, you see the T at the bottom of the screen? Tap on that T, and you'll be able to add different words to your screen. So you can type in whatever you want. Intro video. And again, this is going to be, playing around with how you edit your videos and getting used to what you like and what you don't like. But that's how to simply add whatever words you want to that screen. Now you'll see at the bottom of the screen, there's also different ways for that text to be displayed and different layouts and how that comes up. You can play around with that also. You can also put that lower in the video and add more information. But what will happen is, if you go back to the beginning and hit that play button again, you'll see those words will start to pop up on the screen for you, which is a cool feature to add to your videos. One other cool feature that you are able to add to your video when you click on there is you are able to add music there and different sounds there. There's all different things you can play around with. But what I would start with is just the words that you want to add to your screen, like maybe your name or your title or what you want to title that video and all that other good stuff. And you'll be able to play that through over and over and see how that's actually occurring for you. Now, in this version of iMovie, you'll see that those words stay through the whole video. So make sure that you have it set up in a way that it's not going to impede with what you're discussing. I hope that makes sense to everybody. So I'm going to click that again. One other feature is that if you hit the bottom right, those three dots, you can change the color. I don't get into that too much. I do my videos pretty much straightforward in the normal color that they come with. Now, if you want to, you can also, from that section, hit the plus sign that was on that screen for you and hit a photos button. You can actually add a photo in there too. So say I decide to pick a photo, there's my daughter's. I'll add that in there just for our example. So we're going to hit add. We'll go through that again. We'll select my daughter's jumping up and down. And now we'll hit that plus sign. And it adds it automatically to the end of the video. When it does that, what you want to do is you have a transition between the two, which kind of makes it look professional. That transition are those two arrows pointing toward each other. If you click on those two arrows that are pointing toward each other, there's different kinds of transitions that you can have too in the program. And you see what works for you and what doesn't. But play around with it and just have a good time. What I would do from that point is once you're done and you're happy with whatever you edited on that video, just hit that done button and name that movie. And how you name that movie is just see where it says My Movie 1, just press on that with your finger. Rename that movie to intro, video, or whatever you want to call it, whatever that subject is, and hit done. And Now your video is ready to go. At the bottom, now you're going to be able to upload this video to YouTube as well. At the bottom of the screen, you're just going to hit that send arrow. See the send arrow, the box? Let's go back again. That box with the arrow up, you're going to hit that send arrow. And look for YouTube on there. Click on YouTube. Very similar to what I showed you earlier today. You're just going to make sure, go through the information. You want it to be called intro video, whatever category you want it in. It automatically defaults for some reason to entertainment. I don't like that. I like to put it as education. And then the size, always put HD. I like that better. It just comes out a better quality. And make it public so that people are able to see that. And then from there, all you have to do is hit that share button. That's exporting this video now to my YouTube channel. And that'll be on the YouTube channel as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that video off of my YouTube channel because it's not the best video, but it's just for our demonstration. But I hope that gives you an idea of how these projects kind of work using iMovie. A lot of the video editors are very similar. So if you have an Android device, you can use the default video editor that comes with that. Or, just ask around. That's how I found out, about iMovie. There's also another program that I have on here that I like to use. And I'm rambling a little bit, but some things are coming to mind that I wanted to share with you. iMovie is one that I like to use, and the other one that I like to use is Filmmaker Pro. That allows you to add words in the middle of the film or whatever recording you are, pictures in the corner as you're talking about them. But play around with those two. Those are two that I would recommend, Filmmaker Pro and iMovie, but start with iMovie to get yourself rolling. I hope that makes sense. I hope it's not too rambling. I hope it's good information to at least get you guys started out with what you need to with making movies. So let's go on over to